Good morning. It is Friday morning here in Florida. I am currently going to be working on replacing this piece right here. The wood's rotten, so I'm gonna be making a new piece for it. So that's kind of what I'm doing today. No real camping videos or anything because I'm here in Florida and there really is no camping. Not the kind of camping I want to do. So that's my plan for right now. So I'll be using this wood here just to kind of create the frame. Try to reuse the screen and everything that's currently on it, but we'll see how that works. Not really the right kind of saw, but it's what I have, so we're gonna have to make it work. So, all right. So I need to get the other piece off the house so I can measure it. So we'll see how easy this is to get off, since it's got like caulk all through here. And I don't want to tear it up because I kind of want to reuse as much as I can of this. Let's see if I can cut this. That's definitely working a lot better. Yes, I'm using a steak knife. But hey, it works. This is not, and I will not be cutting my steak with this. I think this ended up being a outdoor knife for some reason. So, let's see if I can pull this out now. Okay. Okay, there we go. Whew. I can't stand the way it smells under there. This is kind of what I'm replacing. As you can see, it's all broken, and I'm kind of trying to reuse this mesh here. But so that's what I'm working with. I do need to put something over this so the animals don't go in that hole. That would be a good idea. Come here. I don't want you disappearing under there because I don't want to go under there and get you. That would be horrible, horrible way to start the morning. Luckily, I have this piece right here, which is perfect to cover that hole up. So I don't worry about her going under there. So put this here. That should be good enough for right now. Let's move this chair over here. I don't know. So that should be good for now. Let me just take all this stuff back here. So see if I can take this thing apart here, because I'm gonna try to use my measurements off of here to cut the new piece of wood. And go from there. This one I can't really use, but I can reuse the top one to make my measurements for the bottom. We'll go from there. I kind of enjoy doing some of this stuff because it's kind of like working on a vehicle. I kind of find it calming. Even though it could be a pain in the butt sometimes. But this wood is so rotten. So Man, look at that metal, man. It's rusty. So let's see here. So I'll get me a Phillips head drill and a bit here so I can take this stuff off. Oh, this is not what I want. This is freaking not the right tool. That was easy. All right. So, all right. So we can get this other one to go now. I just want to see if this fits in the opening before I go any further so I can make my adjustments. Nope. Okay, yeah, I think that fits perfectly. Okay, perfect. I can definitely use this piece as my bottom piece as a measurement for sure. I think that's going to work out good. All right, it's actually cut pretty good. Pretty decent. So hopefully I have a good side piece. This side's missing a corner, so but I should still be able to make it straight. Or I can just measure, you know. If not, I'll measure, but we're going to try this first. See if I can get it to work. Definitely this is wider than this piece. I don't know if it's just shrunk over time or what. All right, let's go see how this fits at the bottom. So if I need to make any adjustments, I can. I mean the sides. I don't know why I say bottom, but let's see here. Yeah, I think that's going to work good. Yeah, Okay. Nice. So one more cut. It's very awkward on garbage cans because it wants to vibrate really bad, and that makes it very hard to cut. If I had something more sturdy. Let's see if we can put this together here. Get all this other crap out of here. Well, wow. Yeah, okay. I mean, it's definitely off over here. I could cut another piece to make it even, because there's a big gap over here. But so the moral of the story is, don't call me if you need your house built or something. Definitely not perfect, but I think once I get it together, I can just fill in the gaps with caulk or something like that to make it look better. Yeah, but that's what it looks like now. I mean, I think it's okay. The real question is, after I get it together, will it fit? We'll see. So this is my thought now. I'm going to cut this piece in half, and then I'm going to put a piece up here and a piece down here, and that should hold it. And I'm going to use these two pieces to hold the screen and to hold the wood together. And after I get it framed, I'll put some screws through here to hold these corner pieces, but I'm just using this as a brace right now. So we'll do that. Yeah, they definitely stick out the bottom, but I can grind those off. So we'll just go with this for right now. Ah, damn it. Fuck, dude. Alright, moment of truth. So right now I'm using the grinder. I'm just grinding down these screw heads so I don't have to worry about them. And then we're going to figure out the sides here. All right, this is basically the finished product. I got braces, and this way, grind all the screw heads down. It's good to go. Just need to paint and install. I think it'll be okay. Let's do a test fit and see how it works. So that's basically the finished product. I think it looks pretty good. Other than that, I just need to fill some gaps in here, and I think we'll be good to go. Yeah, looks pretty decent to me. Not bad for first time. So I'm still finishing up some projects. Since I finished the door, I want to go ahead and get some stuff prepped for paint. I don't really like painting, but so I'd rather scrape than paint. I don't know, painting is extremely boring to me, so I'd rather not do that. Yeah, I'm just trying to prep this for some paint, and I have a list of little projects that I'm helping out with. Not too bad. I appreciate y'all watching and tagging along with me during these little projects that I'm doing around the house. I'd rather be camping, but this is what I'm doing for right now. And thanks for watching, and I'll catch y'all outside.